It's Kalb. It's a show. And today we have very, very good permission from our dearest friend Linda. She's a animal specialist. Well, let's see if she's here. Linda, how's it going? Hey, Linda, how's it hanging? Okay. Hey, Linda. Hey, Linda, remember you invited me here? We're having a special show. Oh! We had permission from you. Could we just, see your animals, please? Mm-hmm. Let's see what we have here. Kangaroo, zebra, pink bear, white bear. Ah! What is it? What is it? Calm down, Linda. It's only an animal show. Hey, what do you know? Our friend's a beagle. I like this
Buffy.
beagle.
No, it's Buffy. Give me Buffy. Give me Buffy.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Buffy.
Here's Mr. Horsey. Is
No.
this very special to you?
Yes.
Okay, could we just ride this for a second? I've always wanted to ride a horse, you know.
No, you're gonna break his back. You broke his legs.
Oh, I have to go!
You broke his legs.
Pardon me, Mr. Horsey. Well, this has been very fun. Okay, let me just check out some more of your animals really quickly. Let's see. It's Chester Cheetah. It's not easy being Tuesday. You're on live cable.
Pussy.
She's very mental sometimes. I just have to warn her. Well, hello, Mr. Cheetah. Whoa! What you do? Oh, Dave. Oh, you're on me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Okay, you can get off me now. Thank you. Oh, look. A Charleston wearing Carolina hat. Charleston, Northern Carolina. Charleston, no, take me out. No. Popsicle. Anything, Kalb. Nature show.